Given a square minus b square is equal to 64 and ab is equal to 8. This is given here. So we have to find out the value of here a plus b is equal to what? Let's see solution how we can find out the value of a plus b in this equation. So first equation that is given is, you can see this is solution. A square minus b square is equal to 64. This is equation number 1. Next one is AB is equal to 8. This is given. AB is equal to 8. This is equation number 2. So we have these two equations and we have to find out the value of A plus B, right? A square minus B square is equal to 64. This is given here. So we know the formula of A square minus B square, that is A plus B times A minus B. So we can write that formula here. A minus B times A plus B is equal to 64. This is the formula of this one, right? Now we have to consider here one thing. If a plus b is equal to x, we are just considering this one, so let's assume that a plus b is equal to x. So we can say this one, this will become a minus b times a plus b is x, so it will become here x is equal to 64. Now we have to cancel this x term, so we can divide both sides by x. Divide by x on both sides. So we will get here a minus b times x divided by x is equal to 64 divided by x, right? Now this x is cancelled from this x, so we can cancel this x. Now left term, that is a minus b, is equal to 64 divided by x. Now this is a minus b, so we can take here square on both sides, so we are taking square to simplify this one. So a minus b whole square is equal to 64 divided by x to the whole square, right? Now we have to apply here formula of a minus b whole square. So formula of a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to here 64 square divided by x square, right? So we can write this one, a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to 64 square upon x square, right? Now we know that value of AB is equal to 2. This is given in equation. So you can say according to equation 2, value of AB is equal to 8. Now we have to substitute that value here. So we can write that one. So a square plus b square minus 2 times AB. AB is 8. So 2 times 8 is equal to 64 square divided by x square, right? Become a square plus b square minus a to the 16 is equal to 64 square divided by x square, right? Now we can say here a square plus b square. A square plus b square is equal to 64 square divided by x square plus this one plus 16, right? Plus 16. Now this is a square plus b square. So we can say we know the formula of a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the formula of a plus b whole square. So we can say value of x square. We are already considering this one, a plus b is equal to x. So we can say x square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. Ab is 8. So here x square is equal to a square plus b square plus 8 to the 16, right? Now a square plus b square, a square plus b square is equal to, we can say x square minus 16, x square minus 16. This is the value of a square plus b square. So we can say x square minus 16 is equal to, you can say here this is equation number 3 and this is 4. So comparing equation 3 and 4, you can substitute value of x square minus 16. This one, x a square plus b square is equal to x square minus 16, and it will become is equal to 64 square. From equation 3 and 4, 64 square divided by x square plus 16, right? Now x square minus 16. So here we can do one thing. We can do cross multiplication, right? So when we are doing cross multiplication, we will get here x square minus, first we have to take here LCM. We can say x square minus, this is 16, and here also plus 16. So when it come this side LHS, it will become also minus 16, right? Divided is equal to 64 square divided by x square. Now x square minus 16 minus 16 it will become minus 32 is equal to 64 square divided by x square. Now we have to do cross multiplication here. So when we are doing cross multiplication, we will get here x square times x square minus 32 is equal to 64 square times 1. So it will become here 64 square. Now x square times x square, it will become x power 4 minus 32x square. 32x square is equal to 64 square. So here it will become x power 4 minus 32 x square minus 64 square is equal to 0. Now here x square and here x power, so x power 4, so we can consider x square is equal to m, right? So let's consider this one. Let x square is equal to m. So when we are substituting this value here, so we will get here m square minus 32m minus 64 square equal to 0. So it will become here m square, because this is m, x square is m, so here x power 4, so it will become m square minus 32m minus 64 square equal to 0. Now next step we can say this will become m square minus 32m minus 64 square. So 64 square, value of 64 square is 4096 is equal to 0. Now here coefficient of m square, that is a equal to 1, b is equal to minus 32, and c is equal to minus 4096, right? Now we have to solve this one. So we are using formula m is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2 times a. Now we have to substitute this value here. So we will get m is equal to minus b. Value of b is minus 32. So it will become minus 32 plus minus square root of b square. b is minus 32. So minus 32 square minus 4 times a. a is 1 times c is minus 4096. So it will become minus 4096 divided by 2 times a. a is 1. So here m is equal to minus minus plus 32 plus minus square root of minus 32 square, right? So minus 32 square, when we are doing 32 square and minus minus will become plus. So 32 square is 1024, and here this is minus, so it will become plus 4 times 4096 divided by 2, right? Now m is equal to 32 plus minus square root of 1024 plus, now we have to multiply this term. So 4 times 9, when we are multiplying this number, we will get here 16,384. You can multiply and check it. We will get here 16,384 divided by 2, right? Now m is equal to 32 plus minus square root of, now we have to add this term, so we will get here 17,408 divided by 2. So this is the value of m. Now we can simplify this one. We have to first take factor of this number 17,408. So let's start. So we will get m is equal to 32. It will take time to take factor. So we will 17,408 divided by 2. Now we have to take factor of this number. So let's start. 17,408. This is number, right? First it will divide by 2. So 2 8 ja 16, 704. Again from 2. So 2 4 ja 3, 5 and 2, right? Again we can cancel it from 2. So 2 2 ja 4. So it will become 2 1 7 6. Again we can do it from 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 0 8 8, right? Now 2 5 ja 10, 4 ja 8, 4 ja 8. Again we can cancel from 2. So 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14 and 2 2 ja 4. Again we can cancel from 2. So 2 1 ja 2 and 36 2 ja 72. So it will become 36. Now 2 6 ja 12 and 2 8 ja 16. 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8. 2 17 2 ja 34 and here 17 1 ja 17. So this is the factor of this number 17,408. Now we can here make pairs. So this is 1 2 3 4 and 5 pair of 2 we got here. So we can say m is equal to 32 plus minus square root of 5 pair of 2. So 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4 and 17. So 1 2 3 4 and 5 pair, right? Divided by 2. Is equal to 32 plus minus, now here square root of 4 times 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 square root of 4, 5 times square root of 4 times square root of 17 divided by 2. Now m is equal to 32 plus minus, now square root of 4. So value of square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 4 is 2, square root of 4 is 2, 2 and 2, 5 times 2, right? Square root of 17 divided by 2. So m is equal to 32 plus minus, now here 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 2 ja 32. 32 square root of 17 divided by 2. Now m is equal to 32 divided by 2 plus minus 32 square root of 17 divided by 2. So when we are cancelling this one, 2 16 2 ja 32 here and here also 16 2 ja 32. M is equal to 16 plus minus 16 square root of 17, right? This is the value of m, but we already considered that m is equal to x square, right? So but we already considered m is equal to x square. So we can say m is equal to x square is equal to 16 plus minus 16 square root of 17. Now to cancel this square, we have to take square root on both sides. So taking square root on both sides, we will get here x square square root is equal to square root of 16 plus minus 16 square root of 17, right? Now square is cancelled from square root. So here x is equal to this is the plus minus, right? So we can say x square is equal to 16. So we can say plus minus, this is plus minus 16 plus minus 16 square root of 16 Now x is equal to plus minus square root of 16. Square root of 16. So we are taking common 16 here. So left term, that is 1 plus square root of 17. Right. Now x is equal to plus minus. Here square root of 16. So we can take a square root of 16 times the square root of 1 plus square root of 17. Now x is equal to plus minus. This is square root of 16. So value of square root of 16 is 4. 4 times square root of 1 plus square root of 17. So we can say this is the value of x. X is equal to a plus b. So we can say value of x is equal to plus minus 4 square root of 1 plus square root of 17, or a plus b is equal to, because we already considered that a plus b is equal to x. So a plus b is equal to plus minus 4 square root of 1 plus square root of 17, and this is the solution. We have to here find out the value of a plus b, and this is the solution. A plus b is equal to plus minus 4 square root of 1 plus square root of 17. This is the solution. Thank you.